Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you. Hello, guys. Welcome to Africa Gist Media. Yeah, I'm here to give a story of Ileroluwa Olademeji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, in Malian's record, in the house of Malian's record. So it's with so much pain I am saying this. The reason is that this boy really fought hard. He tried so hard, he gave that a tough time, but that won at last. Mohbad was one of the young street boys who rose to stardom from the street of Ikorodu. You know those days of making a freestyle and boom, it goes viral online. Here are some of his throwback videos on his early life. One way or the other way, his video freestyle went viral. He got noticed and got signed to a record label named Malian's Record. Malian's Music, owned by a certain Peckham drug lord named Aziz Fashola Naira Marley. Alongside, Imole Aziz signed other young artists too, and it turning was going on a smoothly in the record label. Little did they know that there is more to just being in the record label and singing song alone. Since the record label is owned by a drug lord, there are some certain sacrifices you need to do so as to stay relevant in the record label. First, if you are initiated into peddling of drugs. Second, is you will also take an oath of secrecy, never to reveal things going on in the label. Their boss, who is now an ambassador to NDLEA, trained them all the way, doing so well, taking and peddling the drugs. Then it got to a level of secrecy. Oates and Mohbad refused. Zeno and some other artists in record label did all the same oaths, right? But Mohbad refused. They gave him time to have a rethink. During those time, they sidelined him. The record label boss left him useless in the label, but was promoting Zeno back to back. He even gave out one of his street sisters to Zeno, make him the knack. Just one. That's why you see Zeno dropping hits and looking like a rag. His life is under and control of the label, and he can't even output. Mohbad started complaining that he needs promotion too, that Naira Marley can't be promoting Zeno alone and leave him hanging. That's the beginning of their fight. It was one argument to another. It got worse that they go physical most time, and Naira hates to be challenged so bad. But Mohbad always the way only one. Mohbad was the only one challenging him in that label, aside his record label. So, my people, oh, let's go in. Nǹkan tó cause issue láàrin Mohbad àti Naira Marley. Taking and holds, I'm not taking and holds is one of the reasons why they really want to kill this boy. And now it's finally at peace. He's now resting in peace now. So guys, stay tuned. You'll bring more updated on Mohbad's death for you people. Thank you. And as I always say, don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. Subscribe. Let us make this grow together. Like, comment, and share, please. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for staying tuned. Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.